The morning light slips through the green, a quiet world so calm, serene. I walk a path the shadows trace, drawn gently to this peaceful place. A bloom I find, so soft, so bright, I wear its scent with pure delight. The ocean waits with open arms, its hush and waves, its endless charms. My fingers schemes the flowing blue, it feels like home, so deep, so true. I laugh, I dance, the sea responds, we speak in ripples, waves and bonds. I sit in the stillness by the shore, the sea shows me what hearts are for. With shells I shape the love I feel, a simple heart but deep and real. I lift a treasure from the sand, a tiny life within my hand, a crab so small yet full of grace, a world within this little space. I look ahead where sky meets wave, a view my soul will always crave. Each step I take leaves lines behind, soft mirrors of a peaceful mind. The water hugs my moving feet, a rhythm soft, a steady beat. The tide calls out, I follow slow, towards the place where dreamers go. The sea surrounds, the sky is near, in this wide world I disappear. I twirl, I smile, beneath pink skies, my love, the sea, forever lies.